Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Play Mario and Luigi Bowser's Inside Story. In the last episode, we found a Giga Carrot that was owned by a family of Wigglers and aided. So today, we're going to be talking to Wiggler and have him hand over the Banzai Bill and use it to destroy Fawful and for good. So before we begin, like and subscribe if you haven't already, I would appreciate it. And don't forget to check out my awesome videos that I posted on YouTube because they're amazing so far. In fact, the second episode of Bowser's Inside Story has now 70 views now. That is incredible. I can't thank you guys enough. Anyway, let's talk to him. Safe to be on the safe side. Yes, go slow and steady. Don't rush. Breathe deep. Let's get the Banzai Bill right now, because I just saved. It's all good. Banzai Bill me. What? What do you mean? What were we talking about? Don't start, pal. We had a deal. Oh, he's getting mad. You invade our peaceful farm and contaminate it. You yank our Giga Carrot and then you eat it. Now face Wiggler's wrath. You told me to eat it, you idiot. I must avenge the Wigglers whose legacy you sullied. You must be removed from our farm like compost. Bah! You like compost? I'll compost your face. Here we go, guys. Bowser versus Wiggler, one of the most memorable boss fights in this game. Wiggler's gonna kick it off by growing some turnips and Shy Guys. You gotta duck to avoid the Shy Guys and punch the turnips. Nice callback to Super Mario Bros. 2. So the way this boss is really unique, it's kind of like this stone blooper we fought back in Black Beach. But in order to get Wiggler to calm down, you gotta hit one of his body segments. And when you hit them, they'll turn yellow. And when you hit both of his body segments, Wiggler will actually calm down and be weak to attack. So, and see, like that. When he's in his normal state, he will become vulnerable to attacks. So that's nice. I sucked both Shy Guys, forcing them to drop the turnip, doing 132 damage. And these are called Leaf Guys. These can be taken out by the Fire Flower or by jumps. I'm just gonna stick to jumps for now, because there's probably something really good for these Leaf Guys. I mean, they don't have much HP, to be honest. All it takes is 2 jump attacks. And there we go, we took him out. So now Wiggler will be stunned for a few turns, so we might as well use Goomba Storm on him. It's time for some raining Goombas today. I think I'm actually getting really good with the Goomba Storm. I think I figured out how to get an excellent from the Goomba Storm. I just have to tap all the Goombas. Oh, look at that, we only did 122 damage on him. That is sick. I bet you Bowser's special attacks are going to be much stronger than Mario and Luigi. Okay, I missed a couple, but that's fine. $107 damage, okay. So Wiggler will be stunned for like 2 turns or 3, depending on how long it goes. Oh, I forgot that Wiggler has hands. This is like... I forgot that Wiggler grows arms. Kind of like how he does in Mario Kart. And then, boom, socked you in the face. You're calm down, Wiggler. Now, let's do another Goomba Storm. Feel the wrath of Goombas, Wiggler, because you're going down. Okay, excellent. Barely. How much damage will that do? 112. And I guess one more Goomba Storm should hopefully finish him off. Let's hope. I think one more should do enough damage in order to kill him. There we go, excellent. Holy cow, we got a ton of lucky hits. There we go, Wiggler's dead. I believe Wiggler has like 540 HP. So we gained 380 experience points from it. We got a 1-up deluxe. And the Mario Bros actually get an additional 40 XP. That's not bad. Ah, I could have swore I got a 3, but nope. Still got a 1. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I can't bear it if you damage the rest of our organic crops. He's going back into his hole. Please just take this and leave our property. Wow. You got a Banzai Bill. So I guess Wiggler is very generous to us. We can use the cannon now. Yeah, that's right. Now let's head back to the cannon where the elite trio is. Well, why'd we stop? Oof! Huh? Ow! Oh, Bowser's in immediate pain. What? What is it? What's wrong? Ouch! Ow! What the? Ouch! My belly hurts! What is it, do you think? You ate too much carrot? Listen, Chippy, do something! I can't take this now! Make it better! But the kingdom's in danger. If we delay, we may never get your castle back. Quick, now, gut pain. I guess we have to deal with this. Bowser, don't move, okay? I'll go find out what's causing all the pain. Okay, so we're going near Bowser's like elbow. This is the nerve cluster. Whoa. What's that rumbling? Oh, I think I remember this area. What the heck is that? Oh wow, are you a friend of the bug from the farm? It almost looks like a parasite. Don't talk much, huh? You must have been in the carrot Bowser ate. Wow, you got huge. I wonder why. And why are you, sidling? I think it's too fat to walk. Oh, what are those white blood cells doing here? And why are they carrying spears and shields? Oh, this parasite's eating them all. Holy moly! Yikes! It's been eating those white things. They made it big. Ow! Ow! Chippy, I'm going nuts up here. What are you doing? Do something now! Mario, what should we do? True. If we don't get Bowser moving, we're in trouble. Sorry, Bug. It seems wrong, but we must, exterminate you. Come on, Luigi, get over it. We get it. You're afraid of bugs. We just pushed him. What a coward Luigi is. But hey, 2 boss battles in 1 episode. That's insane. So this boss here is Durmite. He's a... I can only assume that it's a girl because she's got a bow on her head. I mean, most people are confused about this boss battle because they don't know if Durmite is a boy or a girl, but on this... But... to put things in perspective, I usually assume it's a female because of its very feminine, like, blue and pink colors. But I'm using Fire Flower for this, and, I'm still not proceeding on getting excellence, though. But I think I might try my hardest. But I think I might as well, like, try my hardest. Great. Okay, we only did 40 damage. I mean, this Fire Flower does more damage compared to the Skullet that we fought earlier, because... Uh-oh, what is wrong with me today? What is wrong with my Fire Flower attack? Okay, I managed to get a great. But Durmite has a variety of attacks, one of which she charges at you, and, one attack where she charges at you and you gotta hit it back with a hammer. Another attack, which you'll soon see why, you'll see some of her straw-based attacks, one which you'll soon see why. I know there's another attack where she spits out a straw and just swings it back and forth like a jump rope, and you gotta time your jumps to dodge it, but because if you don't, you'll end up stuck in the Durmite straw, taking all of your HP, kind of like that. But I'm using green shell because I don't want to because I'm getting rid of those white blood cells. This attack, I find it very hard and difficult because it's very difficult to time your jumps, but I think it's easy I mean, most bosses do have easy to dodge attacks, especially if you get really good. As long as you get really, really good, you'll master these in no time. And look at that, she got a straw poking inside her mouth. But she had a straw that was poking inside Bowser, and if you let her suck... the thing is, if you let Durmite suck... If you let Durmite drink the straw, she'll suck from Bowser's insides. She'll regain some HP back, and you don't want that to happen. But, so I recommend taking out the straw, and wow! We killed her! Nice! We got 300 EXP points, and we got POW gloves. Wow! So I guess these are a new type of gear. So I can just equip them for Mario. Okay, that's fine. I gave Mario 45 POW points. And for Luigi, come on! I don't know. That's fine, whatever. And now it's a little worm. She got shrunken down. Let's proceed, because Bowser's still in pain. Uh-oh. What's happening? No, it's the white blood cells. We need to run. No more dealing with these guys. Uh-oh. We're trapped. They're drilling right through the floor we're standing on. Wow, that would hurt. What's this? This passage is blocked. I know that voice by Boogity. Is Mario in there? What's that? Hey! Wow, it is Mario. It's me, Toadbird. Oh, I remember Toadbird. He was from Partners in Time. How did I not notice that? Yeah, he was at the beginning of the game, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Bowser inhaled me too, with almost the whole castle. I'm so happy we met up. Well, I'm not happy we're here, but... Did you get attacked by those white soldier things too? Oh yeah, I sure did. I guess it's their job. They attack anything foreign that gets into Bowser's body. Anyway, gotta say, it's pretty interesting in here by Boogity. There's all kinds of weird stuff. I feel like a gut spelunker. Princess Peach? Oh yeah, it makes sense that she would have been inhaled too. Unfortunately, I haven't seen her around here anywhere. She's gotta be in his body somewhere though. I guess you just gotta keep trudging around, huh? First we need a way out. Well, Luigi knows the answer to that. Whoa. By whacking that nerve point... Oh, it opens up. Cool. But it's happening something else. Whoa. Burst of energy. My belly starts feeling better, and now my arm hurts? Come on! Hey, you in there! What are you doing to my bod? It looks like that had some sort of effect on Bowser's arm. His arm? Yeah, I've been poking around. This whole area is a pressure point for Bowser's arm. It's just a theory, but I think if he punches while moving, he'll punch much harder than before. Hey, up there! It looks like your punch power increased. Try punching while moving. What's that? Punch while moving? Yeah, try it. If it works, you'll be able to break stuff you couldn't before, right? You don't say. I guess I'll try it. I'm feeling better now anyway. A solid punching will feel good. So press X while moving. Oh, that's cool. It's basically like an upgraded version of his punch. Oh, baby, you're good. Chippy, you get it done. That's it. You're my new minion. You can thank me later. Well, I'm not sure I can accept. Hey, don't be shy now. I know you're fired up. Go ahead, bask in it. Well, looks like you guys have got this under control. I'm gonna go scout some other areas. If I find anything, I'll holler. See you later, bye Boogity.
Bye-bye.
See ya, Tobert. Alright, time to use that Banzai Bill. Back to the cannon. Alright. So, Bowser learned a new move. Our first move in the game, which I believe used to be... If I read the description right here, I think according to the description on the save block, it says Bowser learns the Sliding Haymaker. That's pretty cool. Like, it increases Bowser's punch ability while moving. In fact, his new upgraded punch will make getting first strikes much easier. So, that will conclude this episode, and that'll have to wait for another video. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to check out some of my other videos I posted on YouTube. I hope I will upload some more Mario content very soon. This is Just a Big Brain saying, thanks for watching.